In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the PayPal payment review problem. If you've seen this notification where it says the payment is pending or under review inside of your PayPal account, then in these situations, the first thing that you need to do is check your email. PayPal almost always sends emails asking for more information if they need it. So make sure you check your email that is connected to your PayPal account, and make sure you also check the spam folders. Now, if this is not the issue with you, then you need to check the resolution center inside of PayPal. So once you log into your PayPal account, you'll have this notification already presented, which you can easily tap, and you'll be taken to the resolution center, which may require you to add in your identity document or maybe even your proof of address. So once you complete these steps, you should be able to fix this issue. If it is the case of the identity verification, then make sure that you have your ID ready as well as the exact address that you previously added in as well. Lastly, what you'll also need to do is wait for the automatic clearance. Many reviews are automatic fraud detection checks that clears within 72 hours. So if this is the case with you as well, you'll need to wait out at least 72 hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.